Hello, this is a demo video to show that you can insert and remove products from a live show whilst it is live, and they will populate and depopulate. So here is one of our customers called Wild Earth. They're a dog food brand, vegan dog food brand. Now I'm going to, in this live room we have 6 products. Including so 5 of them are pulled through from their Shopify account. 1 is a manually created badge button that goes to an event that we've created, a giveaway event. And I'm going to remove and then replace this yellow one, maintenance dog food, formula dog food, so you can see. And I'm going to show you, this is in the dashboard, and then the next tab is in the moderator tab, and then this tab is the viewer tab. So I'm going to come back to the dashboard. You can see I've toggled that out, and now you'll see this instantly, but obviously I need to, in the viewer, and it'll go instantly also in the moderator view. But so just watch down here. I'll hit save, and that's gone. Let me just toggle over, and you can see that that's gone. Now let me put that back in, and you'll see it. Let me scroll down. So I put that back in. You don't see it yet repopulate here in the viewer tab, because what we'll need to do is actually show it in the by using the moderator window. So once I show it in the moderator window, it then repopulates into the viewer tab, and then obviously these get swapped out according to what you select as a moderator. So let's show the blue one, performance formula dog food. So show that. You can see that has swapped out with the maintenance formula dog food. So that is showing you the live insert and removal of products in a LiveSell live room. Thanks very much.